Hope you are all doing well and welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is how to reverse an integer in Java. Okay. In general, reverse of an integer means if we are giving the input as 1, 2, 3, the output should be what? 3, 2, 1. That's all. In simple sentence, we are going to reverse the digits, right? Okay. For this, I am going to write one logic. After that, I will explain. First, we need an integer, right? That's why I am declaring int input equals to sc dot next int. By this way, we can read. Before that, I am going to print one statement. Print enter the value or integer to be reversed. Yeah. After this, I will declare another variable named as rev, nothing but reverse equals to 0. I will use while loop. Don't worry, I will explain in brief. No, I will explain in detail after I finishing writing the logic. Int I is equals to 0. I think no need this. Okay, let it be. That input is not equals to 0. Within that, I will give int or I will name this named it as rem, that is reminder of what we say. Then rev equals to rev into 10 plus rem, then again ip equals to ip slash 10. And now I will print system.out.println. Reverse of the input integer is rev. Okay, let's check whether we are getting the output or not. After that, I will explain. Okay. Why it is 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I will recheck this while. Yeah, it's working. Now I will explain in brief. Okay, I will explain it. Okay. Initially, we declared and initialized the input value. That means we are giving the input to the variable ip and we are taking a rev, that is 0, in this program for the execution purpose. Okay, while ip does not equals to 0, I am taking another new reminder named as rem, variable named as rem, that will store what? If the input is divided by 10 and one remainder we are going to get, right, that will be stored in rem. And later REV. Earlier it is 0, right? Now it is 0 into 10, that is nothing but 0 plus remainder, the previous remainder, that will be added to the REV, and the input will be IP variable named as IP will change itself with divided by 10, and it is going to be take the quotient. Let's take it in, yeah, I will copy this and let's go to paint the text, paste here. Okay, please ignore this one. I don't know how to delete it. Okay, please ignore this one. Okay, let's see what is happening here. Okay, please excuse me if I say if I do anything wrong, or is there another better logic apart from my logic, or if I use any spelling mistakes like that, because I am a beginner. Okay, coming to the video. Initially what REV, right? REV is 0. Okay, I think it's better to write. I will add text. Initially REV is 0. Then we are checking again and again in the while loop whether 1 2 3 does not equals to 0, right? Does not equals to 0, and this is correct only, right? So I will give it as a star. Star indicates, just assume that star indicates correct. Okay, inside that while loop there is one another variable also, that is REM, which is nothing but 123 will be modular division with 10, that will give us 3, right? If any number is divisible by, if divided by 10, and we are using modular here, so it will take the last digit, nothing but 3, to the remainder. Now the REM variable contains 3. Okay, after that what we can do? REV, that is reverse. Assume that REV as reverse. I named it as in short. REV is REV, that is 0, right? At initial, here we can see at initial it is 0, right? Okay, 0 into 10 plus 3, right? Why? Because here we mentioned REV is equals to RUV into 10, that is 0 into 10 plus remainder. What is remainder in previous 3? Okay, that is what 0 into 10. 0 into 10 means 0, right? 0 plus what? 3, that is 3, correct? Then IP is changed to what? IP, what is the initial value of IP? 3 1 2 3, right? 1 2 3 is modular, is divided by 10 and gives what? Quotient this time, that is 1 2. Am I correct? Sorry, I will give it as 12. Am I correct? Okay, and these all, no need to paint, I will write here only. Okay, again, now REV is, what is the previous value of REV now? 3. 3, keep in mind. Okay, and checking while, in the while, don't you think the for loop, the while loop, inside the while loop the value has changed now to what? In while loop we generally update, right? Update one value, based on that value only we are going to check the condition, right? If IP is 123 and it gives 12, then this 12 will be considered now, because we have mentioned here IP, right? Not 123 for the every time, we gave it as IP. So IP, now the what is the previous IP value? 12. 12, does not equals to 0. In early before I continue to explain, I told star indicating what? Star indicating means it is correct. 12 does not equals to 0. It's correct only, right? Then REM. Don't look for these values every time. Look the logic here and compare the values before. Okay. Here in reminder what I gave, IP modular 10, right? Remainder equals to what is IP now? Current IP, current input in short form 12. 12 will be modular divided by 10. That will give us what? 2, right? If you are confusing in modular division, ask ChatGPT, or blindly we can remember one thing. Any number modular divided by 10, it will always give the rightmost digit. Okay, 2. Okay. Then what is REV? REV is what? Reverse REV into 10 plus remainder, right? What is the previous value of REV? That is 3. Here I mentioned 3. 3 into 10 plus what is the remainder? 2. That equals to, don't you think? Don't you think it is 32? Am I correct? Then coming to the last IP input T. Again it will be divided by 10. 12 will be divided by 10 will give us output as what? 1, right? Yeah, this is the second iteration. And at last, what is the current value of REV? That is nothing but 32, right? 32. Yeah. Now again we are going to check with while loop, but this time IP again changed to what? 1, right? 1 is does not equals to 0, right? It is correct only, right? Okay, correct. Then comes to REM. REM means what? What is the logic behind REM? REM is equals to input, that is 1 modular divided by 10. That's equals to what? 1 only. 1 only, right? If there are no digits left side to 1, simply considered as 1. Or if there is only single digit modular divided by 10, it will always give the remainder as 1 only. Yeah. Then REV is equals to, what is the logic of REV? REV is equals to current value, that is 32 into 10 plus remainder, that is 1. That's equals to what? 321, right? Then the input will change again to 1 divided by 10, right? That equals to 0. Now our logic is going to be end here. Okay, what is the current value of REV? REV is equals to 321. We got the output, right? We should not stop here. We will again check the while loop. While 321, correct, right? Sorry. The input value is 0, right? 0 does not equals to 0. Is it correct? 0 does not equals to 0. Is it correct? No, right? So this is wrong, and the code inside the while loop will not execute. So in this way we got the output. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching the video and take care. Bye bye.